Today is Mother's Day. Mother's Day? God. Oh, God. You ain't saying anything, God. You better get it, God. 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 I hope you say anything today. But today is Mother's Day. Really? Yes, today is Mother's Day. That means May 10th. Yeah! You know today is Mother's Day on Sunday. Good deal! Alright. So, Derek, how do you guys are enjoying the Mother's Day? It's great to see you. It's awesome. Well, we're going to turn my peace friends on your face. Yeah. Oh, by the way, I have to play the music. It doesn't matter what, you're going to be free. Oh my, that's totally good. I can't wait. Well, boys, guess we ought to go. I can make the car for Mother's Day. Yeah! Alright, I'm used for Merrick and Steven. Okay, we're doing now. Wow. Well, I think we can do something else. But no matter what. Do 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 do. Mariah! Mariah! Wakey wakey! Wake up! Can I go to sleep for 5 minutes? Yeah, please! Today is May 10th, so that means it's Mother's Day! Oh my gosh! Thank you so much! Happy Mother's Day! Thank you! I can't wait for your father and son named Pete. Oh my, that was awesome! I can't wait to see Eddie and Pete person. But remember, Mariah, it's the perfect thing. Mother's Day was your reason. Well, one of the things I'm going to say. I got a present for you. Check it out. This is right. Woo! I can't wait to the Mother's Day. Yeah! Enjoy the present. And please be free. Hello! Wow! Today's Mother's Day! Somebody's coming! Oh my! How's today's Mother's Day? Come on, Joe! Okay, I'm coming! So, boys, she's my Mother's Day. So what do you think about Mother's Day? Terrific, cool! It was a perfect thing. You, and you! You want to go see? I can make a card for you. You those things that I can go to stores and get some things. Flowers? A magical face for items? Yep. But anyways, I can make a piece of pink flowers and 16 there and lots more. And don't forget the pink cards. You got it, ma'am. Well, how many days are they? Mother's Day, Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Me too. Thanks. Well, you're always using. Do you think I should go to Dave on the Mother's Day soon? Well, looks like a very good one. Come on, Mom. We're going to go shopping and I'm going to get some items. Oh, well, Joe, do you want to go? Yes. Okay. Grandma and Dad, we'll be back. I'm going to take her mom to the car to get for Mother's Day. We will. Okay. Now we're waiting. I hope you enjoy the card. Oh, I want to go too. You want to go too? Yep. Wait a minute. I can't help my Mariah Wednesday. Gosh, can you please get around? Whatever. Let's get going. Do 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 do. So anyways, what should we do when we give some Mother's Day for the thing? Well, looks like the thing of Mother's Day is the best thing. Unfortunately, it's affecting the Mother's Day thing. But please be patient. See your cards while on your table. Well, only something it gets trapped. Ooh, what are you going to do? It's a table and a day, Joe. You know what to do in the Mother's Day. It's a thing. Why hard? Yeah, but any day but do. But no, it's easy. But the wicked stuff in. But don't forget, guys, we'll have to do something. How about this next one? No, she's not hungry. Oh, come on. I'm not hungry, Joe. It's always to do the fault. This is very strange. I'm getting sick already. You know what it means. There we are, to the card. Woo! Yes! Wait a minute. Come on, get the show. What are you singing? Oops, sorry, almost forgot. Gyro for the cars. We haven't got yet, guys. Why is it, Mariah? Why is it, Mom? Well, I don't have any to pick cards. Check out our different colors. Oh no! What terrible news! Oh my! Where's the pay cards? Where's flowers and teddy bears? Oh, poor my darling. It's not my fault. Why is it, Mom? It's someone's fault. This is not good, guys. But I am very sad. But I can't go right now. Because it's very disappointing. This is the morning business. But please forgive me, guys. My car is up. Hey, check it out. What? Oh, no, that's right. I go get it. Be careful. Wow, that's amazing. Have me my pen, please. Next flower, please. And finally, came there. There we go, ma'am. Thanks. All done. Wow, that was a funny thing. You really did. Most things you say is to me. Cool. Now I can go home and relax and do something. But where are they going to be today? It's okay, guys. We are going to be very quick, you know what I'm saying. But no, I must have things to say. But never mind. Don't say anything. Nope, that's fine. You better keep going, because it's too late. All right, let's go on and make a time. Hey guys, Welcome back. Welcome back. Thank you. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. How you doing about the day? Let me see. Okay. Oh, God. Gotcha. Thanks, Derek. Wow, is that a picture for his mother's day? Yep. Okay. Well done. Let's eat Stevens. Wow. Character in the car? Oh, wow. That is beautiful. I love those cars. It was so vivid. Well, thank you, Pete. It's my pleasure. Back over. Okay. Whoa. Thank you. Oh, excellent job. You're drawing a picture with mother's and grandpa's too. Well, thank you, Pete. Extremely welcome. Whoa, oh, yeah. And I have to stay in the plane with Stuart. What did you think of that, Mom? It was a pleasure. Oh, we can do the Mother's Day party today. And all 74, you're on the camera. Oh, baby! Well, it's fine. Now what I have to do is give me some stickers. Huh? You forgot to stickers? I don't have any. Well, I can't have any money. It's too fast. Mrs. Jackson, what happened to your stickers? I don't know. Where can I find them? Stickers? Oh, how can I find them? It's almost there. It's not good. Isn't it fancy? It's over. No, I can't go to the Mother's Day party forever. Well, Mom, it looks like that's pretty easy for stickers. How can you do that? Well, if you're looking for stickers, how can you be here with stickers? Meanwhile, I'm impressed with you two. You can't find the stickers. Your mom is going to be very upset and unhappy to see you. Oh, poor Pete, Mom. Poor Mrs. Pete, Mom. And poor Mrs. Dipsy. It's okay, guys. Well, she's sad. But my mom is so sad. It's can't. It's not fair. It's ugly. I can't understand. I can't understand. Oh, don't be sad, Mariah. It's nothing to do. It's all wrong, Eddie. It's all wrong. You thought you said you. It's nothing good. But please forgive me. I am very sorry. It's something terrible. Listen, I have to use you to find the stickers that you give so much. But what sticker? It's hard. A crayon. Crayons? What crayons? Now I have to do is we gotta find the stickers and join the crayons to my mom, and she's gonna be really happy to see you. All right. Did you see that, Joe? Dad says we need to go to the crayons to get the line with pink and red, and also we can find the stickers. Oh, that's what we're doing. We're gonna do is you're gonna say, yup, yup, yuppie, yup, yup, yuppie. Thank you, dear. Steaky. Don't call me Steaky. You're a fool. Oof. Now, everybody, take your time and be careful. Keep going and go back to your mom and you faster you can. Thanks, Dad. We'll be back. Don't worry, Mom. We'll be back soon. Now what are we going to do, guys? We have to do that thing. We all already know. It's a thing. But guys, it's too hot. No, it's not. It's the thing. Well, that's a funny thing. Maybe we can make the mother say funny thing. At the time, I was a person. Okay. So, what we can do is doing the birthday contest. Oh. Did you hear that? Say that? Yeah. We can go find a stick of crayons and not more. Those things are very sad. Mom is saying, all you have to do is clean on it down. It's all your fault. Wait. Maybe we get done with doing. It's not done yet. It's not done. Okay, let's do it now. So, Joe, how did you make the same? If you can't find those crayons or stickers, she won't sound upset. Oh no, that's terrifying. I have to hurry. Let's take a look at that. Let's see. This is not fair. It's crayons that eat, but I want pink. I want red. We want red and pink too. You also doing anything. You can't do anything. We're doing things and we can't do anything. Do you think that's the thing? Not now. If only we can find the stick of its crayons, we're finding. I know. I have to do something. I accidentally put supplement for you. Excuse me, sir. Hi, may I help you? I'm looking for crayons and stick of pink and red for Pink Mom. Did you find them? Oh, okay. I'll go look for them. I found it. You found it. Well, we'll go here. You can see the thing. Go here. Pick what you want. Take it. That's it, about it. We'll be seeing you next time. Okay, but Sophie Man, we'll see you. Bye. Alright. Take care. Bye. Now, where are we? Are you going to the line? No, it's a thing. We all do the same. Well, I have to go back to the house before my mom is very upset and unhappy for me. Oh, yeah. Maybe we can do some ears, but I'm saying that. Maybe we can help my mom cheer me up. That's not how you go. Hey, that's what I'm doing. Do. We're going to help my mom. Please help her. Okay, now do something. You have to be careful, okay? You always do things. You understand. Down. Hey guys! Hey! Pete! Joe! You're back! I got such a face for you. My mom. Huh? It's a surprise for you. It's going to be rain. Oh, let me see. We have to join the class, please. Okay. Well done for you. In the case, we're buying a few things, and all have to do something. Achoo! Oh no! My nose is dirty! Don't worry. I have to be fine. Just use taste. Happy Mother's Day! Oh, mine! Thank you so much, Pete. Oh, I'm getting a hug. Oh, you look so happy. I know, but you do the same thing. Wow, this is the best Mother's Day ever. Me too. And where's Derek? I don't know. You guys did. What? Happy Mother's Day. Take care then. Oh, Pete, you are so sweet. G.R. Oops. I guess we gotta use it this time. Maybe not time. And do it this year. I'll be that guy. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, favorite, and share. And don't forget to subscribe. That's all for now. Bye!